Welcome to another delicious recipe from the Saraswat Kitchen.
For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive the latest updates.
We need ripe bananas, 3 to 4, wheat flour, 2 cups, vegetable oil, ½ cup, powdered sugar, 1 cup, curd, ½ cup, vanilla essence, half a teaspoon, baking soda, half a teaspoon, baking powder, 1 teaspoon, milk, ½ cup. Grease the baking pan with butter and dust wheat flour. Mash ripe bananas in a vessel. Add powdered sugar. Add curd. Add vegetable oil. Stir the mixture well. Add wheat flour. Add salt to taste. Stir the batter so that no lumps are formed. Add vanilla essence, half a teaspoon. Give it a nice stir. Add baking soda and baking powder. Add ½ cup milk to activate the baking soda. Give it one final stir. Stir only in one direction to blend it well. Pour batter into the cake pan. Tap the cake pan to remove air pockets. Top it with white sesame seeds. I'm baking it in an electric oven. You can also try microwave or stove. After 45 minutes, try this delicious recipe and tell me how you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. To watch the upcoming videos, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.